if you guys thought I just brought a Deagle 50, I don't know what you guys were thinking. We're doing this for Lord Kidius. And of course we're playing on a new setup, so super laggy. And also, I'm not used to playing on computer, so give me a break. I may not play the best. And my frame rate is terrible. But we will survive for Lord Kidius. And we have a flint and steel to light them on fire because why not? No, I won't do it. I won't do it. Well, that was laggy. This is probably going to be... Oh, hey. There's Master Kidius here to encourage me. Kidius cam. I'll take a photo for you guys to see how he's sitting. I'll have to make that as a community post because I forgot to mention we're doing no edits today. Completely unedited raw footage of me being terrorized. I mean, me terrorizing the Night Dweller. Or not the Night Dweller, the man from the fog. There's too many dwellers! How am I supposed to remember all of these names? Blasted! I hate this glitch. I have to break the wood twice for it to work. It's rather annoying. We're probably gonna die in the first night, aren't we? Ah. Ooh. Okay. So I was doing a little testing before I started recording. I guess I might have accidentally angered Hero Brian. Well, that's pretty dope. Gorgeous sunset. Red for the blood of the Night Dweller. I probably will not be going mining or anything. I might build a house in episode 2. If you guys want, I can build a house. I want to test it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. America 250. I thought that zombie over there was Hero Brian. Dude, no. I'm already getting paranoid. I thought those horses were something. Is that an iron? No, that's a skeleton. Alright, as you guys can see, I've officially lost my mind. Please, just show yourself. I just want to say hi with my little friend here. I just want to say hello, Mr. Hero Brian. You were a hero, Brian. Of course, I only brought limited ammunition, so I can't be too trigger happy, sadly. Except for with my pistol. That I can be a little more trigger happy with. Frame rates are getting a little low. I'm gonna head back this way. Break some logs. Maybe while I'm doing that, the chunks will load better, and hopefully soon I can get some better Wi-Fi, because right now I'm just playing on my MacBook off hotspot. Soon I hopefully intend to get a PC so that I can pump out way better videos for you guys. If you have any recommendations for mods on Prism, leave it down below in the comments. But yeah, Master Kitty's plan was Minecraft videos. It's a genius plan, though. You can't get mad at him. And you guys here thought he was evil. Yes, a village! Time to go terrorize, protect the village, yeah. That's what I meant to say. Bye! Frame rate is actually gonna murder me. I might have to adjust some video settings and change my chunks down lower. Yeah, it's definitely, I'm gonna have to definitely fix this. This ain't good. Die! Eat lead! Bruh. Why is this lag? I'm gonna have to get in a village house and try to fix this lag. Okay then. Alright, that should be good. It's still a little laggy though, unfortunately. I'll just have to bear with it for now. I did not click my inventory, thank you very much. You guys don't know how good this feels. It actually feels so good. I have all the power. Master Kittius has more power, of course, but I have most of the power. That's not true, he has most of the power. I don't see any night dwellers, or from the fog characters. The man from the fog, whatever his name is. Ah! It's just a villager. Yeah, let me know if this gets like a little bit boring, guys, if you want me to actually introduce editing for it. I thought like raw footage might be a bit more entertaining. What's that sound? Bread. Delicious. I don't want rotten fresh in my inventory. Did I just say rotten fresh? Ah, yes, rotten fresh. Delicious. If you guys want more different mods with guns, let me know. What is that noise I keep hearing? This. That's what it is. Let's just see who's throwing these tridents. It's you! Ah, the smell of smoke and the burnings. God, I thought he was slick throwing them at me, didn't he? Mr. Iron Golem. Had you heard about this Hero Brian fellow? I saw him. Tell me where he is, I know you know. They always know something. I swear they're just hiding it. Why are the villagers keeping zombies in a pen? Nah, they're keeping zombies in a pen. Crazy. Would you be quiet? That noise, rah. You know what? I'm gonna build a house right here. It's gonna be beautiful. You guys are gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing. You guys are gonna ask me to build houses for you guys. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna do this and this. Bear with me. Now, I gotta get used to my mouse. It's backwards. And we're gonna do this. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely. You know what? We're gonna add a roof. Oh, it's so beautiful. A little detail, make it look nice. Expand on the dock a little. Give me that. There we go. And we have a torch. This is our house, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, there's the zoom button. Yay. Now we're gonna go in our house. Yes, it's beautiful. Steak. You know, we're gonna add some windows next chance that I get. I know you guys saw that too. Why is this brother appearing when I'm just trying to chillax in my house, my new crib? I don't like it. This guy's really got me paranoid now. Nope. I'm gonna get some more stuff for the house. And just stay away, Mr. Herobrine, for now. I want to finish my beautiful house. Ah, yes. Delicious water. I hate stripped logs. Not all stripped logs, don't get me wrong. I mean, they look good, but not on this village house. The classic village houses look better, in my opinion. So, well, we've had an eventful first few days. Herobrine has been spotted, what, 3 times now? I didn't like that. We need to hurry up and get this base done. I think I'm going to have to build an emergency escape down to the bottom in case the man from the fog comes. Dude, this is a lot. I'm sorry, Herobrine. What did I do? I just threatened you a little. Those bullholes look cool. No, please. No, go away. Go away. Go away, Mr. Herobrine. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Did I set my spawn? I didn't set my spawn. Uh-oh, that is bad. I'll have to get there fast. I hate the jungle. I hate it. That's why I moved recording. I should have changed world spawn as well. I should have set my spawn in that bed. This is practically going to be a World's Dumbest Fails by Red Blue Plays. But I'm so glad that I added this. I think this is part of the minimap mod, if I believe correctly. And just to make it worse, there's actual thunder right now. Looks safe. So I'm gonna have to add a trapdoor to this. I'm not gonna be able to get in there either without a gun, because that's what. Great. Just gonna place this right here so I can. And where? There you are. I don't know if this is good enough though. I'm starting to be concerned. I won't organize. Nah, I'll organize it. It might make some people mad that I didn't. I'm one of those people that doesn't like it when it's unorganized, of course, but I've wasted so much ammo, that's not good. Alright, the sun's coming out, so let's just place our crafting table back here. And of course I'm terrible at crafting because I'm still basically an amateur on computers, so I'm going to be using this. Probably should replace this. Free stone! I'll pick up that bed too and set my screen while I'm thinking about it. Alright, that should be enough. Perfect. Yes, splendid. Yes, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm very proud of my house. And there goes more thunder. It's such an interesting experience as someone who has spent their entire time for Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. This is my first time actually touching Java Edition, so I'm excited. And you can see the little sword there. I'm so paranoid. I heard music. Oh, it's just the Minecraft music, bro. I have a paranoia problem now. Now we're gonna make this furnace. Where am I gonna put the furnace? I know where I'm gonna put it. I have the perfect spot. It's beautiful. I don't know if the night dweller can break glass. This might be a very bad idea of me. I was gonna grab something out here, I thought. Oh yeah, I remember. old me over here. I don't remember anything, guys. The hardcore series might have to be scrapped, sadly, as well, since I'm really having a lot of trouble recording on Nintendo Switch. Those two torches looked exactly like Herobrine eyes. I should change my username on YouTube to... Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I could do that. Well, you learn something new every day, don't you? Anyways, I lost my train of thought. Oh, we're just gonna make a door. It's gonna be beautiful. You know what? Double door. That's actually so annoying. Oh yeah, I think I was gonna say something about playing with friends next time. He's still thinking of a nickname, but you guys, I've noted fire before in a post. That's perfect. Now, look at it. You are not slick. I could see you. So yeah, this is my From the Fog series, I guess. No fancy shaders, no sugarcoating it. Just America. Now let's examine this beauty. Oh, that's how you add this stuff. I'll have to make a gun bench to make more weaponry and to craft more ammunition for my future episodes. I don't really need anything out here yet. Okay then, I'm just being a little bit paranoid, that's all. Nothing is wrong in this world. It's a completely normal world. What are you guys talking about? It's normal. I'm crazy. Raw. Right. Hold on, let me... 3, 2. Beautiful. I have an aquarium in my house. Do you guys like it? You know what, I'll end up on this side by the bed head. Oh hey, that rhymed. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it. I'm so funny and original. No, I swear I heard something running. I might have to add a mod that amplifies sound next time. I'm gonna turn it up too, that way I can hear everything better. Just me being paranoid again. Ah, Master Kitty has jumped off the bench next to me. And of course, him being the all-powerful orange fat cat he is, made a loud thump. I thought I saw a name tag. Right, that's a little obnoxious. Are you trying to go into my house? You trying to go in my house, boy? Scram. What you mean, no? How about that? What you gonna do now? I respect it. No fear. I respect it. You're gonna grow up to be a blacksmith someday or something. Are you following me? Yeah, get on with it. No, just a little. Thought that might have been a cave right there. But yeah, I'm gonna probably stay in this area because I'm a chicken. I'm a super brave person. And I'm here because that's where I've seen the most sightings. Yeah, and not because I have a safe shelter or anything. This is a really fun world though so far, and I'm really enjoying this series, and I'm so excited to make more for you guys. Are you stomping your crops? That's what it looks like to me, bud. Get your nose out of my face, bro. Oh my word, that voice crack. That voice crack was actually horrendous. I know you back there behind that screen laughing now. Boy. Don't do that again. I need to stop wasting ammunition. Let's go this way a little bit. See if there's anything. I know there's a body of water that direction. There's a little sandbar up there I can see on the mini-map. Let's see. Keep going this way now. There's a oak forest, my favorite wood type. Birch. Controversial, birch isn't as bad as people say it is. It complements cherry wood really well. Looks like this way you've got a bit more birch and oak biome. I don't remember what it's called specifically. This way looks like the village goes off to the ocean. I thought villagers usually close the doors behind them. Is that a shipwreck? Did I just whack? I'm whacking with my elbow with the shotgun. That is so cool. No, that is not a shipwreck. Here, Brian, it'd be really nice if you came and attacked. It would be terrible if you attacked me with like full diamonds, like a couple of diamond blocks, and gave them to me. That'd be terrible. I'd be horrified. That flower. I don't like that. I think this will be concluding episode 1 of my From the Fog series. I'm not late, you are. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot if you like and subscribe. You may not think it helps much, but it helps more than you think. And before I hop off, I need to see if this breaks glass. It does! America! Later, guys.